Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. So we are back with one more top apps video, and today in this video we're going to show you the 10 best new Android apps which you should check out this month. So before we show you the list, here is a quick word from our today's video sponsor, iCare Phone Transfer app. iCare Phone allows you to transfer your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data from Android to iPhone or even Android to Android without PC. The interface of the app is simple. Just choose the WhatsApp or WhatsApp business app here and then select whether you want to transfer data to an iPhone or Android device. Once done, it will ask you to do the backup and you need to make a local backup. After that, connect both the device with an OTG cable. Here I am going to use the cable that came with the iPhone. So we have plugged the Type-C end to this OnePlus device and the other end to my iPhone. After that, just follow the instructions on the screen. And here you can see the available data and you can select the category you want to transfer. You also need to turn off Find My iPhone, and that's it. You're now ready to transfer your data. Now the final step is to log in on your iOS device. Once you're logged in, you can begin the process. And the whole process will take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your data. And here we have our transfer data on the iPhone including images. So if you want to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without a computer, then check out the iCare Phone Transfer app. For more details, check the description and the pinned comment. Now without any further ado, let's begin our today's video, and as usual, we're going to show you the apps in random order. And one more thing guys, like always, there will be few promo codes for giveaway, so do watch this video till the end. So the first app we have in our list is the Stick Around. Stick Around will help you to easily see if there is a post-credit scene in the movie. So if you're tired of waiting in a theater after a movie just to realize that there are no post-credits, then this app will help you. Stick Around will help you to decide whether you should wait or not. You can see if there is a post-credit scene during credits or after credits. So basically the app is community based and the data is collected by users as well as through IMDb. You can also go to the movie in the app and vote if there was an after credit scene. Overall a nice app to know if the movie has an after credit scene or not. The next app we have in our list is the One Deep Breath. I was looking for a breathing app for my Android phone for quite some time, and guys, I think that the One Deep Breath is one of the best out there. So this app uses simple, science-based breathing exercises which will help you to stay calm, energized and productive all day. With this app, you can upgrade your physical and mental health with different breathing exercises. In the app, you can also choose different sessions and each will help you in a way. For example, here we have the session which will make us feel more refreshed. Overall with this app, you can start your day refreshed and energized or use it to go to bed relaxed and calm. The next app we have in our list is the Gesture. With Gestures, you can perform custom shortcuts. So once you set up the app, you can create a custom gesture to perform certain actions. The app works with both button and gesture based navigation. So in order to perform a gesture, you would need to drag the home button up, then you will get this box, and here just draw a predefined gesture and the app will perform the task. So here I have set up the circle to open the camera and you can see it works pretty good. And one more example, here if I draw a square, it will open YouTube. Similarly, you can do other tasks such as toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, etc. Overall, Gesture is a wonderful shortcut app which you should install on your phone right away. The next app we have in our list is the Doodle. Doodle is a colorful live wallpaper app. The wallpapers are based on the original Doodle live wallpaper collection which we have seen in Google Pixel 4. Apart from that, you also get the Material You inspired live wallpapers in the app. The wallpapers come with the zoom effect and also power efficient parallax effect when you do a page swipe or tilt your device. There are no ads and the app is free and it's 100% open source wallpaper app. And to be honest, I find these wallpapers pretty good, especially in the dark mode. Overall, a nice and cool looking live wallpaper app, so do give it a try. The next app we have in our list is the Connect app. Connect app allows you to connect faster than ever. So Connect app is a small NFC tag that can be placed at the back of your phone, and it will help you to share your contact info, social media profiles and a lot more with just one single tap. So here you can see I have placed a tag at the back of my phone, and now the other person needs to just tap at the back of my phone and they will get all the links and profiles I have configured, which includes my social and contact details. So basically, it's a virtual business card and you can use this tag not just at the back of your phone but anywhere. And guys, this app is free, but you need to purchase the NFC tag, which is available in a few different colors on the Connect app website. And also, we're going to do a giveaway of 10 tags. And if you're interested, just follow us on Instagram right now, and there you will find a post of Connect app. And all you need to do is tell us why you like it and tag 2 of your friends. Connect app will be selecting the winners in a week or so. So hurry up and follow us on Instagram right now. The next app we have in our list is the Anything to PIP. As the name suggests, this app allows you to show any picture or video on your smartphone in picture mode. So you can select a photo or video from the app, then it will show in the PIP mode on the home screen. You can select photos, GIFs and videos from the app. I find this app useful as I can use it to show a photo of my family pet in PIP mode on the home screen. There is also a pro version which will give you access to all the features, and for this app we were able to get 10 promo codes. So if you want the pro version, then follow us on Instagram right now, and there I will be posting stories with the promo codes. Next app we have in our list is the Retropod. Retropod will bring back the old memories when the iPods were in the trend. With this app, you get the iPod style layout music player, and you can play the music on your device sorted by artist, album and all the songs. The click wheel works just like how it was on the iPod, and you also get the haptic feedback while scrolling. You can adjust the volume with the click wheel or shuffle songs. You can also fast forward the song or see the album art with the middle button. The layout of the app is simple yet looks amazing on the phone, especially with the AMOLED screen. Overall, I'm loving the Retropod app right now, and it is my default music player. It feels like I'm using a giant iPod. And guys, there is also a game which is free for the first level, but we have 25 promo codes. And if you're interested, then follow us on Instagram right now, and there we'll be posting stories with the promo codes. The next app we have in our list is the Squid Game wallpaper. So if you're a fan of Squid Game series, then you will find some of the best Squid Game wallpapers in the app. The app provides a good collection of Squid Game wallpapers which are in high quality. The interface is simple, and here you have all the wallpapers available in the app. The category section is not complete, so I suggest you to check out the random or popular wallpaper category. You can apply the wallpaper within the app or save it on your phone. So if you're a Squid Game series fan, then do check out this wallpaper app. The next app we have in our list is the OTT Play. OTT Play allows you to get smart recommendations from different OTT platforms. You can select the language OTT platform at the initial setup, and with the help of your likes and dislikes, the app will recommend you the content to watch. The best part about this app is the discovery option, and with this, you can search for a movie or a series, and then the app will let you know the OTT platform where the movie is available. And also, you can see the trailers and other info such as rating about the movie. Overall, OTT Play is a very helpful app to discover OTT platforms and get recommendations, so do check it out. And the final app we have in our list is the Icon Changer. Icon Changer allows you to customize the Android home screen with different icon packs, themes and widgets. With this app you can see the available themes, and this includes icons, widgets and background. Once you select a theme, you can download the icons and change it like this. You can also download the widgets and add it to your home screen. There are a lot of themes available in the app, and some of them do look pretty good. So if you're into customization, then you will find this app very useful. So that's it guys, these were the 10 best new Android apps we have for you for the month of November 2021. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite new app of the month in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.